Morning guys, third week into winter, fourth week into winter I think actually. Another weekend of cleaning, feeding, watering, seeding, fruiting, vegging, all that stuff. And I've got to tidy up the yard as well. School holidays, kids have made a bomb, dog crap everywhere. You get them all sorted out. Got a bit held up last weekend with the expo and a few other bits and pieces, so we didn't get to put a video up last week. The video of the expo was a little bit blurry, so I'm still working on that one at the moment, but we've got a new set of birds as well. These eckies. They're in a quarantine cage at the moment, just making sure everything's all good, and temporary holding cage until I build them a new aviary, but yeah, it's 2 days worth of mess. Eating the corns, passion fruits, bits and pieces. There's a girl in there. Can't see it too well. But that's Clive and Scarlet. So I'll get into it. Well, that's all the raking done. All the floors cleaned up. Got the fruit trays out. We'll take out their water bowls now. Give them a quick scrub. And then we'll go and get the seed and top everything back up again. Just doing some cleaning, hosing. These guys are in here. Try and have a bath as usual. They love the water, these two. That's the male just here. There's the girl up on the perch there. I'm not sure if you've just seen that then, but I'm missing a couple fellas up her chest and her belly there. So we'll get in and we'll have a look in the nest box in a little bit and we'll see where them feathers have gone. Is that enough? You happy? Yeah? You guys are crazy, it's winter. Yeah, crazy. Hello. So that's what we've ended up with today. So we've got a couple of trays for the Amazons, one for the Eckies, one for the Alexes, one for the Eckies, a bit of powder for the lorries, apple and mandarin for them, Chopo for everybody. Trying out the seed cubes, or seed mate, whatever they're called this week. It's a new one because we keep one pair of Eckies inside and they love to make a mess. So I'm going to give this bad girl a run and see how it goes. Yeah, cucumber, watermelon, rock melon, capsicum, banana, carrot, passion fruit, sweet potato, a couple bits and pieces, corn, broccoli, spinach, a few bits and pieces in there today, so keep them going for a couple days, see how they go. That's everybody with all their fruit and veg, all their seed. Hello. The water. These guys. love it. Yeah, you guys are crazy. The best birds that I've got, these two. Consistent, reliable, easy to look after. Yeah. And we got these guys up here. Still got to give you some water. And he's got all his fruit and veg. Scarlet's in there hiding. That's alright. These guys up here, up to no good. These guys, water, powder, apple mandarin. What are you up to? Yeah. Yeah. So we noted that yellow girl's belly this morning, so we might just poke our head in again and see what progress, or if any progress, has happened. We'll quickly sneak in and have a look. Oh yeah, it's looking alright. Nothing chewed up yet. No, nothing laid yet, but looking pretty good, to be honest. Alright, I'll leave you alone. See? That's the mama. Making sure I haven't done anything wrong. Alright. Might have a quick look in the blues as well, see what they've been up to. We'll just see at the blues now. I did another little patch job last week. You guys are noisy today. Yeah, I did a little patchwork. They chewed another hole in it, so I had to take off the ply. Just cut and folded a little bit of 50 by 50 alley angle. Screwed it to the top to try and block the corner a little bit. But we'll have a quick look and see what they've been up to. Yeah, she's been chewing up a little bit more. It's looking pretty good in there, actually. This might be the last time I check these guys this year. They're very delicate, these blue ones. They had 4 eggs last year, and silly me liked to harass and check and see what was going on, and a possible 4 turned into a simple 1. So basically I think I annoyed them too much, and 3 of the 4 eggs didn't hatch, disappeared, totally gone. So I think mum and dad were a bit defensive last year and got rid of them before I could get in there. But we did get 1 baby out, which was pretty good, so we'll see how we go this year. We might leave them alone a little bit more and see what happens. Might try and check out this Alex girl as well. I already know she's in the box. She doesn't stuff around when it comes to breeding season. Watch what happens here. See, waiting for you. You're going nowhere. Yeah, let me have a look. Alright. There's nothing in there. She's chewed it up to smithereens. We'll let her go. But like I said, these are my best birds. She's all business, this mama in here. No stuffing around. So this is Clive. And we just picked him up last Friday. He's 13. Nice big boy. Chewing on a little bit of banana. And then we'll see if we can have a... This is just a temporary cage at the moment. I don't have an aviary set up for him. So we're just running this for the time being. The next week, possibly. But she's already in a box. I can see her in there. Scarlet, chewing, making herself comfortable. Hopefully getting ready for this season as well. But we'll see, we don't want to harass her too much yet. Leave that up there. Protect them from the rain a little bit. These guys down there, the lorries, they're always up to no good. But this is their first year as well, so we'll see how that goes. But other than that, that's the weekend done, guys. Food, water, seed, fruit, veg, clean. Checked all their boxes. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Any questions, comments, suggestions, let me know. I'll get back to you. Thanks guys, see you later.